Right, I'm back at the bottom of the garden doing some more. Today we're going to take all these broken slabs, move them, and then use them to make a raised bed in this area. Shouldn't take too long to do, but we'll see. So here we go. Right, that's the first bit moved. Now we've got that bit there to do. We've got quite a big collection there. It's a bit windy down here, so sorry about the wind noises. Alright, so that's that bit cleared out. I'm not taking down that tree what's right in the middle. I'm going to leave them so they can carry on growing. It's not going to interfere with what I'm going to be doing, so that should be fine. Alright, so I've laid the first floor slabs down, so I get a raw idea of the shape. Let's take you around. That's what it looks like. Hopefully when I come across more of these broken slabs, I'll be able to extend it that way a bit and possibly all the way down there. So I'm planning on putting a path down here as well, what goes from here through, because that'll be in that corner is going to be where I'm doing my worky bits. So there's what it's going to look like, sort of. Well, there you go. That's pretty much it. What I'm going to do now is I'm putting all the rest of those broken ones inside it on the floor to help with drainage, and then fill it with mud, with muck. It's good enough. I like it, and that's all what matters. Well, that's all the broken bits from over there gone. Now we've got to source some soil and stuff. I'm going to take some of it from this bit, because I know I can drop some of that down. I've got some down over the back there towards the corner I can use. So it's going to be the next bit. But not today because I've had enough. As always, if you've enjoyed the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. It helps me grow. For the subscribers I've got already, thank you very much for your support. It's much appreciated, and I shall see you in the next one.